It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. What's the word? It's your boy Dashinq back after a hiatus dealing with my car, but we back in action now. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. You gotta feel for it. You gotta keep pushing. You gotta say, fuck them. Kick life in the ass when he kick you in the ass. Let's get this money. You feel me? Let me get that. Hey, yo, we got a Starbucks for the first order. Starbucks, $4.50 for 2.5 miles. Let's get it, man. Let's grind today, get some money. You feel me? Yep. I like Starbucks new bags. Damn, man, got a buzz to get y'all get you your coffee. Yo, we're back with another bucker. $7 for 4 miles. You know, tried to screenshot the damn order, but I couldn't do it. I was at a light. Yes, sir. We got a Starbucker. $7 for 3 miles. This is Diamond. First one of the day. So I'm cherry picking too. So let's go. 3, 2, 3. Mike jump, man. Let me get that. You see that? All right, we got a $5.50 for 1.5 miles. Taco Bell. I might get me a motherfucking coffee and a burrito if I can. All right, we got a $4 for 1 mile. Starbucker. Pick up. I will. All right, here's this drop off. Hey, got Wendy's $6.50 for 2.7 miles. I got another one too, an add-on. It's IHOP. I just gotta hit there after this. Bang! Right there. You feel me? All right, we got an IHOP order. It's another $6.50 plus. Let's get it. Let's get this money, baby. Come on with my order. Please have it ready, please. All right, this is that IHOP drop off. Let's see where we going with. All right, we got a $9 for 5 miles KFC order. Let's get that. Let me get that. I got a Sombrero pizza pickup from the mall. I almost slipped my mind. I went 1.5 miles out the wrong way, so I had to turn around. But look, today's going great so far, man. We'll keep pushing. I'm at like $65, $70, something like that. It's 11 o'clock, 11:30. So we're gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna go to about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Then head to work. You feel me? Let's get this money. Y'all know how we do. Oh God. Excessive cigarette smoking. Oh. All right, we got a Chipotle unassigned one, but we got a $5 for 2.1 miles. So hopefully they give me an add-on here. That'd be ideal. All right, we got a Noodles and Company order, a stack, $12.40 for 5 miles. Let's grab both of these orders and get them to the customers. All right. First drop off of that Noodles and Company stacked order.
That's interesting.
It's a robotic going. All right, we got a $7 for 1 mile, $7 plus for 1 mile Perkins order. Hopefully it's ready. And I think it is. Yeah, yes, it is. Yep. Thank you. We got our first Panera Bread order of the day. It's the add-on. Another $5. Let's get it. All right, we got a Burger Queen, $5.50 for 1.5 miles. And I just got to add on a Panera Bread at $5 for 0.9 miles. Let me get that. Let me get that. Oh, thanks. All right, we just moving and grooving. I'm at 114 right now. I got Jersey Mike's $4.50 for 1.4 miles. So let's grab that. Hopefully, he give me an add-on again. All right, y'all. We winding down to the nitty-gritty here. A couple more orders, and then I'm gonna call it one, man. But we doing great today, man. It's just moving and grooving. 2 Chipotle orders. They both $4 hollers. One for 0.9 miles, one for 1.5. So let's get these and get on to the next ones if there is any. Yeah, there is. Well, oh, there you go. All right. Have a good one. You too. All right, we got a Bravo's burritos, $6 plus for 1.8 miles. All right, they added on the Arby's order. These are the last 2 orders of the day, Arby's and Bravo tacos, if they hurry up with these other tacos. All right, first of the last drop-offs of the day. All right, y'all, this is the last one. We had a fun, great day of dashing, man. Can't wait till tomorrow, man. Y'all have a great day. It's your boy Dashinq over and out.